In this video, we will discuss about coenzyme Q, also called as ubiquinone. This is mostly occurring in the form of coenzyme Q10. This is found in humans as well as in animals as well as in bacteria. This is naturally synthesized in human beings, but with age, its bioformation decreases. If we see structure, this is made up of quinone ring. Now, this is quinone ring, which is aromatic in nature. It is unsaturated, having double bonds. And here, at these places, two oxygen are attached by carbonyl bond. And this is found in the cell membranes. This help in transportation of the electrons. So, this is called as electron transporter. This is involved in redox reactions. Redox reaction is reduction and oxidation reaction. So oxidation of substrate changes. Oxidation is loss of electron and reduction is gain of electron. So this is helping in transportation of the electron and as well as reduction and oxidation reaction. Now we discussed it is made up of aromatic ring, and this is its side chain, which is called as isoprenyl side chain. And here n is written, n is any number. So here it is in coenzyme Q10, this is n is equal to 10. So what are its functions? Basically, this protects membrane phospholipids from peroxidation. What is peroxidation? Peroxidation is addition of oxygen atom leading to formation of peroxidase. And these formation of peroxides, this may cause oxidation of the membrane and damage the membrane. So this coenzyme Q10, this protects membrane phospholipids from peroxidation and mitochondrial DNA and proteins from free radical damage, which is induced during oxidative process. So this is called as oxidative damage. This is mostly found in the mitochondrial membrane, ubiquinone, where this act as an electron carrier or help in electron transport. So in the inner membrane of the mitochondria, there is a mitochondrial respiratory chain, which we'll discuss in the next video, and I'll share the link in the description box. So where it is found, and this helps in formation of the electron as well as carry the electrons. So this will protect the membrane phospholipids from peroxidation as well as DNA of the mitochondria as well as mitochondrial membrane proteins. When peroxides are produced, those proteins may get damaged or phospholipids may get damaged. Like see, this is cell wall and this is cell membrane. So membrane is basically made up of phospholipids and proteins, and these may get damaged by oxidative process. So ubiquinone protects those phospholipids as well as membranes from oxidative damage. And ubiquinone during reduction process, this gains two hydrogen atoms and this get changed to ubiquinol. So when two hydrogen atoms they are added, then two electrons are also added, two hydrogen positive, two electron negative. So we can see here at this position where oxygen was there, like if we see this part here, we have seen that here it was oxygen. Now it has been changed into OH form, right? So here also this has changed into, this area has changed into OH form. So we can compare with this. Here it is oxygen. Now it has been changed to OH form. So this is the reduced coenzyme Q, which has been reduced by addition of two hydrogen atoms. So this is called as reduction process. So we can see a ubiquinone act as an electron transfer process, and this has a catalytic activity. Catalytic is when a reaction become fast. So this is called as catalytic activity, and this also helps in proton translocation in cooperation with mitochondrial dehydrogenases and cytochromes. Contributes essentially to the bioenergetic activity of ATP synthesis. ATP is adenosine triphosphate. This is adenosine triphosphate. What is bioenergetic activity? This is flow of energy in the living beings. So I can explain it properly. Ubiquinone, which is helping in electron transfer by oxidation and reduction phenomena, as well as this helps in proton translocation in the mitochondria. This is mitochondria. This is its inner membrane, which is produced into crista or folds, and in this inner membrane are present ubiquinone as well as electron transporters, cytochromes. Cytochromes are iron containing protein. I'll share the link in the description box so you can understand what are cytochromes. So cytochromes will again help in transportation of the electron, as well as during that process there is flow of energy, so which is called as bioenergetic activity, which will help in formation of ATP. ATP is the energy currency of the cell. So at ATP formation is done with the help of ubiquinone due to its catalytic activity. So ubiquinone also has many health benefits. This is good for brain, diabetic patient, good for body functioning, good for metabolic rate, good for heart, and its deficiency may lead to heart failure or brain diseases. So we can naturally synthesize in our body coenzyme Q10, or we can also take the supplements. So this is all about ubiquinone. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.